In this question, you have equation in numerator and a number in denominator. Always solve the equation first. To solve numerator, we'll use BODMAS. Always write BODMAS like this so that you know division and multiplication have same priority and addition and subtraction has same priority. So first go for bracket. 9 minus 4, 5. 5 minus 2, 3. Write this as multiplication. Now we have discussed division and multiplication has same priority and here both are given. So which one to solve first? For that, go from left to right. Whichever comes first, solve it. Become 9 into 3, 27. So 27 is the value of the numerator. If you divide it by 10, the final value is 2.7.